Hi guys, today I will make a art work using all the craft materials. Since I love the birds or animals, so I will make birds art using all the craft materials. See, yan. So, I wrote all these things and some of them ay galing sa aking kusina. Okay. So, ayan. So, magsisimula akong gumawa ng ibon. Gumawa na rin pala ako ng art galing sa bote ng panlaba. Ayan, gumawa ko ng elephant. Ayan, at ginawa ko siyang flower base. So, yan ang aking mini elephant. And there's another one, my mini elephant. I put a lot of G. Stone.